Hello everybody, I am the Flat Raider and I am here to show you how to use or view the Java applets that are in the old case studies on Scanshare. So let's first start with, we need to make sure Java is loaded on our computer. So to do that, we're going to open a browser and go to java.com. And if you're not sure if you have Java or if you want to install it, just go ahead and click on the free Java download and it will check to see if you have Java, and if it doesn't, it will install it. So let's go ahead and assume that you've already done that. Most people have. So we're going to close that. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to log in to Scanshare. Okay, so I'm logged in and I have clicked onto the new case studies tab, which anybody with a pro membership can view. If I click on the archived case studies, you'll need an Ultimate account to see those. But let's look at the new case studies list here. And let's go down to this case study here, the PO171. We click on it, start it. Now I have not set up Java yet to work on this computer with the website. So I want to show you what's going to happen if it's not set up. So we're going to click here. This is an image that says click here to view snapshot. You click it, it's going to pull up and generate a dialog box or a window, which is going to open up the Java applet. And Java is loaded, so it's trying right now. But what happened here is it says application blocked by Java security. That's because Java has changed since the time that I first used it to create the Java applets, which was over a decade ago. So we're going to say OK and go ahead and close this. All right, so now we need to fix this. And so we need to tell Java, which is a plugin for our browsers, we need to tell Java that it's okay to run what's called unsigned applets on scanshare.io. So what we're going to do here is we're going to log out and we're going to close our browser. And now we're going to go down to the Windows Start button and type in Java. And notice that when we do, the second program here on the list is configure Java. So we're going to click on that. And you'll see now we have the Java control panel. So now we're going to click on the security tab. And we have the enable Java content in the browser checked. And here's what we need to do. We need to tell Java that it's okay to run unsigned applets on scanshare.io. So we're going to go here to edit site list and we're going to go to add and we're going to add https // www.scanshare.io and we'll hit add again. Now we're going to do something just a little bit different. http / www.scanshare.io. Notice one is HTTPS and the other one is HTTP. So very important to have both of those. So we'll say OK. And it's just warning us, are you sure you want to do this? Say continue because I do want to do that. Then we're going to hit OK. All right, so now we're going to open up a browser again and log in. Okay, I am now logged in and looking at the same case study list, and I'm going to click on that PO171 case study, and I'm going to scroll down, and here's my Java applet button, this image. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to open up this window. Java is now loading, and now it's saying, do you want to run this application? And I'm going to say yes, I'm going to run it. Now right now I have an older version of Java. It hasn't been updated, and that's okay. The Java applets will run on very, very old versions of Java. Later I'll update this, but for right now I'm just going to click run, and there's my applet. Now I could change my PIDs. I can click on the images, on the graphs, and move the cursor around. I can change the min-max values and such in these for these PIDs, and it's working fine. Now we will have another video on how to use this applet a little more in depth, but there's a lot you can do with this. You can zoom, you can change min-max on the graph, you can move the cursor around, and you can do a number of other things. So we will have another video for that, but I hope this helps to explain how to properly install Java and also to set up Java to view the Java applets that are in many of the case studies. Thank you.